Hi, my name is Anna, and in this video I'll walk you through real projects completed in our Live AI Design and Decision Workshop format. This is not a traditional design process. It's a format where product and concept decisions are made in real time and immediately translated into tangible prototypes or presentations. I'll go through each case and explain not only what was created, but why this format works from a decision-making standpoint. All the projects in this portfolio share the same principle. The input is a conversation, the work happens live, the output is a concrete visual result. In most organizations, time is not lost in design execution. It's lost in misalignment and delayed decisions. Our focus is to eliminate that gap. The first case is a mobile application in the mental health space. The entire session lasted 4 hours. No pre-work, no detailed briefing documents, just a focused conversation. The objective was not simply to design screens. We worked on defining the emotional tone of the product, structuring the first user experience, shaping engagement logic, and establishing the visual intensity level. Within the same session, 3 distinct design directions were created. That matters because strategic decisions cannot be made responsibly when you only see one option. Comparing directions in the same time frame allows faster and more grounded decisions. There is no "let's revisit this next week." The direction is defined in this moment. Case number 2. The second case is a crypto wallet proof of concept. Total time 1 hour. In project like this, speed is critical. The goal was to quickly define the dashboard structure, outline transaction logic, visualize key user flows. By the end of the session, a clickable prototype was ready for demonstration and discussion. In this context, the prototype is not the final product. It's a decision-making tool. It enables founders or CTOs to communicate direction clearly to investors or internal teams. Case number 3. The third project is an e-commerce website. In 1 hour, we defined the homepage structure, navigation logic, and overall visual direction. In e-commerce, clarity on the first screen is essential. We worked on positioning, audience targeting, content hierarchy, and call to action logic. When discussion happens directly on top of a Live prototype, the conversation becomes precise. It shifts from "I like this" or "I don't like this" to "does this strengthen or weaken the strategy?" Case number 4. Marketplaces are structurally more complex. They require clarity in user flows, filtering systems, and prioritization logic. During this 2-hour session, we defined the primary user journey, structured search and filtering, clarified visual hierarchy, eliminated unnecessary components. Speed here does not mean simplification. It means concentrated decision-making while context is still sharp and sharing among all stakeholders. Case number 5. A common question is whether this format works in enterprise environments. This case demonstrates that it does. This was a Salesforce Experience Cloud project completed in 3 hours. We addressed corporate logic constraints, dashboard structure, data presentation, and visual system alignment. Enterprise projects often slow down due to sequential approvals. A Live session gathers key decision makers in one focused block and allows direction to be fixed immediately. Strategy and services presentations. The portfolio also includes strategic presentations created in Live format. In 1 hour, we structured the narrative flow, argument sequencing, visual direction, and presentation logic. Sometimes the most critical decision is not about interface design, it's about how you articulate and frame your strategy. Across all cases, you'll notice consistent patterns: limited time frames, high concentration, shared decision-making, immediate visualization. We are not accelerating design production, we accelerated decision clarity. And in most organizations, decision latency is the real bottleneck. This format is designed for leaders who carry actual decision responsibility. If your primary need is a structured, extended process, traditional agency models are available. If your priority is defining direction efficiently, a live decision sessions is significantly more effective. If you are considering this format, the starting point is a short discovery call. We define the session structure, duration, and expected outcome. And then we move directly into live execution. In product development, the most expensive resource is not development itself, it's unresolved decisions. Our objective is to minimize that window.